Welcome to WatchDojo.com. I'm a dude bro talking about pop culture in an easily digestible, soulless format. And I'm here to blow your mind. Today, we're gonna talk about 4G63 engines. Hey, Bob. What the hell is this? But we don't talk about technology or engineering or cars. We talk about the best wardrobe malfunctions and the stuff the fake 90s kids who were really born in the 2000s have synthetic nostalgia about. I don't know how to talk about actual technology. And the script's just a blank page. Come on, you know this. We just make these up as we go along in the recording booth. Welcome to the top 10 facts that you didn't know about 4G63 engines. These engines. Number 10. They have four cylinder things at the top. These push the rotating cuff rod piston actuator blocks to combust the oil that they put in the engine that is lubricated by the petroleum. And this is a unique design because most other engines using tricycles are pushed by 3-cylinder things using less contrapulating actuators. Come on, where is it? Aha! Thanks, Thesaurus. It's nice to know that useful dinosaurs survived the apocalypse caused by the Transformers. Number 9. These engines are a product of Mitsubishi. This company, based out of London, Austria. And yes, that is a real place. Produces engines for cars and other bipedal forms of locomotron. Boy, I miss talking about Snooky's boobs. You're a professional. Focus. You can talk about stuff that isn't boobs. This company has developed a fandom amongst the otaku drivers of New Nepal. This company employs 3¼ employees in its factory in Germany. I knew a guy who worked there once. He was smart. Number 8. This engine is known for its unique Dahuk technology, which boosts the horsepower to 333.456 parts per square liter. I think that's right. Dahuk stands for, as you may know, Dingy Old Cylinders. Many other car companies have tried using this technology, but they've mostly used it on loan from the Mitsubishi company, like the Honda Camry and the Subaru Mustang. Again, I think that's right. It provides improved lubrication efficiency and reduced static horsepower compared to similar diesel-powered Dahuk propellers. Number 6. The 4G63 engine was most famously used in the 1884 classic Porsche Evo 966-4432789844. This was among the fastest engines I have ever ridden in my 20-something buttocks. This car is renowned among MLG enthusiasts as one of the grooviest engines of all the 17th century. Recently, this engine has been number 5. Why? Lucky. Why do I have to? Why? No. Number 4. Recently, this engine has been graced with the rumor of its rights being bought back by Marvel in its attempt to expand the mechanical cinematic universe. Although nothing is yet confirmed, this engine may yet join Spider Gearbox and a Captain America engine in the annals of Disney mechanical history, thanks to the graces of Kevin Feige. Hey, J-Man. What? That didn't make any sense. So, Disney isn't. Look, Disney, look. I know that your IQ is lower than 42, but you gotta know that Disney is not in the business of cars. That was a Pixar movie. It's not a brand of cars. They're just toys. Can't drive that thing to work. You're just trying to rip pop culture again. Just stop. I'm sorry. It's just that it's all I know. We're too lazy to fix it anyway. We need this up in the next 5 minutes or we get fired for some other jerk who can create even more meaningless videos even more quickly. Number 3. This engine is made of metal. The parts spin about because they are metallized pieces of sodium bicandate. Look! I don't know anything about engines, and this is making me crazy. This isn't the job I signed up to be paid nothing for. I want to talk about Kim Kardashian again. At least I know that she broke Al Gore's toys or something. I don't know anything about this thing that they call science. Help me! Number 2. I'll do what you want. Just please, don't ever do that ever again. Please don't. Please. Okay. Number 1. Just last week, Disney Marvel announced that in the wake of the success of the X-Men spin-off Skullpoople, it will be making a spin-off of Thomas and the Tank Engine. The 4G63 engine is set to star as the villain of the Super Train Hero movie, based on the successful comic book by Frank Miller and Nick Park. It will focus on the story of Thomas's friend Percy, as he fights for the success of the steam engine in face of the evil engine played by the fiery 4G63. Well, there you have it. The top 10 facts about some useless piece of crap that didn't need a video with 10 facts about it. I hope this blew your mind. I'm just some random dude bro from WatchDojo.com signing out. Woo! My paycheck had better be worth at least 2 magazines of Kim Kardashian's butt.